Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Pavoni espresso machine, and it's hissing because it's an older model with the 2-switch. And let's go ahead and pull a shot. Coffee I use is probably a little too fine for this machine, but that does help us to get really good crema. Just have to push harder. Test the steam. Nice strong steam. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell. Thank you.